This was a going away present for my work. Oh yeah. And if you look right there, you see 052 HA DC2. This is set up for the Civic Type R, and it's going to be badass. So much for being a sharp knife. All right, there we go. Sticker package. Ooh. OS Giken slip differential. So I believe this is a 4590 is what they call this. Kind of hard to see there, but there's a ramp angle that's nearly flat, and one's about 45-degree angle there. This acts as a 1.1 to 1 ratio for final drive, so it's essentially a one-way, but a little bit of grip on deceleration. And this is all adjustable with springs and such, different bolts. This runs a negative lockup, so you don't need to use an additive. You just add the I'm going to end up using Torco RTF, so it's their racing fluid, and that should be good to go for this nice almost 75-90 weight oil. So check it out. US spec. They expect all the torque.